Meanwhile, technology giant Google has lost a defamation battle against an Australian politician. A federal court in Australia has ordered for the California-based company to pay more than $500,000 in terms of damages to politician John Barilaro. Now, the case dates back to 2020 when John Barilaro was the Deputy Premier of New South Wales. An Australian comedian known as Friendly Geordies had uploaded a series of videos on YouTube. Accusing the politician of corruption, Barilaro had labelled the videos to be racist during his testimony. He even broke down watching one of the videos. After the verdict, Barilaro was reported as saying that he felt cleared and vindicated of the charges. He said that it was never about the money, but more about an apology.
It's been a long journey, a long 2 years. I am emotional today to hear His Justice read out the reasoning and the evidence, and the case itself again is a little bit traumatising. But I'm happy it's the end of the journey. You've got to be the courageous or stupid to take on Google. I'm happy that on the record now it's clear that Google allowed this to happen. I have been defamed. It was a campaign of abuse, especially online, and the racist slurs and the intrusion into my life and my home and my family.
Now, Google owns content sharing website YouTube. The Alphabet company had initially defended the case. It has now been found liable for the harm that it has caused to Barilaro. The court has said that Google failed to in fact take down the relentless, racist and the vilificatory, abusive and defamatory campaign, adding that it made money by broadcasting the two videos that had attacked Barilaro. The court said that by continuing to publish the content, Google had breached its own policies of protecting public figures from being unfairly targeted. The ruling found Google's publication of the videos had driven Barilaro from the public office prematurely. Barilaro quit politics a year after Shanks posted the video. Now, YouTuber Jordan Shanks was a co-defendant until a settlement with Barilaro last year. The comedian has issued an apology and has agreed to edit the videos, which have now been viewed more than 1 million times on YouTube. Now, before the lawsuit was resolved, Shanks had continued to attack Barilaro and his lawyers publicly. In a Twitter post after the ruling, Shanks mocked Barilaro by saying that you finally scored the coin from Google without ever having the truth tested in court. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.